Hi, my name is Abhishek and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today's my topic is cannabis legal or illegal? So the most common question often asked by the common people, what is cannabis? The answer is quite simple. It is a plant of medical significance. Its properties are wide enough to explain its positive utilization. It is a drug derived from the dry, flowery tops, leaves, stems and seeds of the cannabis sativa plant. It is used to treat chronic pain as it soothes the affected area. Let us talk about the medical uses of cannabis. So according to the National Academics of Science, Engineering and Medicine, the cannabis have the effects such as chronic pain in adults, nausea, vomiting resulting from chemotherapy treatment, and some symptoms of multiple sclerosis, and it also cures sleep apnea and fibromyalgia, but moderate evidences are present till date. So the many drugs are manufactured using cannabis as an ingredient to cure epilepsy and cancer and life-threatening disease. So the uses of the said drug is also approved by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA). Besides its benefits, so there are certain major risks also, which includes memory loss, gum disease, testicular cancer, and many more. So now the medical and pharmaceutical usage is already known to us, but about the legality of usage of cannabis and marijuana, the topic is debatable nowadays. So let us talk about the legality of cannabis in India. So some of the countries have decriminalized the usage of cannabis, keeping in view that its medical properties, but some countries have banned its consumption. So narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances banned the production and sale, but did not criminalize the use of leaves and seeds of marijuana. As per the Assam Ganja and Bhang Prohibition Act 1985, the sale, purchase and possession and use of marijuana as well as bhang is illegal in the state. So under the section 61 subsection 1 clause B of the Bombay Prohibition BP Act 1949, the manufacturing, possession and consumption of bhang and bhang containing substances has been criminalized in Maharashtra. On February 21, 2017, bhang was legalized in Gujarat from a list of intoxicating drugs. So section 20 of the NDPS Act 1985 provides the imprisonment for the sale, purchase, consumption and transportation of ganja. In 1961, India entered into the International Treaty of Single Convention of Narcotic Drugs, which result in branding marijuana as hard drug. Before this convention, it was not illegal. So the cultivation of cannabis for industrial purpose is allowed. So the government of India encourages the research and cultivation of cannabis with low THC content. So let us go to the conclusion on this. So this topic took a lead in India, but we must understand the practical and therapeutic usages of cannabis in the treatment of various incurable disease. Alcohol, tobacco are not banned in India, but why the plant like cannabis should be banned? There is a need to think impartially. The legality of cannabis is still a question. So the recreational use of the said drug is allowed, but the laws still varies with the different states. In 2019, the Delhi High Court agreed to hear a petition filed by a great legislation movement trust challenging the ban on cannabis. The public interest litigation argues that the grouping cannabis with other chemical drugs under the NDPS Act is arbitrary, unscientific and unreasonable. So that's it. Thank you.